The ancient Stoics believed in the power of reason and the wisdom of silence. They understood that not everything we think or experience needs to be shared with the world. According to the Stoic philosopher Epictetus, there is only one path to happiness: to stop worrying about things beyond our control. Today, we will explore the golden principles of Stoic philosophy that we can use to achieve inner balance, boost personal development, and lead a more meaningful life. This ancient philosophical movement provides the cornerstone for dealing with the complexities of life, finding inner peace, and living a positive life. Let's now explore ways to initiate an internal transformation by focusing on these principles together. First principle: don't speak bad of yourself. This profound teaching emphasizes the importance of being kind to our inner selves. Our internal dialogue affects our emotional and mental health. This principle asserts that the key to inner peace lies in having both positive and constructive conversations with ourselves. While we are all flawed individuals, accepting and working on these flaws forms the foundation of our personal development. Second principle: don't boast about self-improvement. This principle reminds us to focus on continuous growth and learning. Instead of boasting about our progress, we should remain humble and view each experience as an opportunity. It highlights that learning and development should be a lifestyle. Every new piece of knowledge contributes to the ongoing process of learning and is a powerful way to support personal development. Third principle: avoid complaining for a happier life. This principle is one of the strongest teachings of Stoic philosophy. Complaining depletes our energy and limits our capacity to cope with challenges. Approaching life with a positive outlook, appreciating the value of each moment, and practicing gratitude are essential for increasing inner peace. Positive thinking enhances our resilience against the difficulties life presents, and a state of gratitude allows us to focus on the small beauties of life. Fourth principle: don't engage in empty talk. This principle advocates for the value of our words and conversations. The impact of our words reflects the essence of our thoughts. Avoiding empty talk is important, as it serves as a way to show respect to ourselves and those around us. This principle reminds us that effective communication involves not only speaking, but also listening. Choosing words carefully to give value to our thoughts and building deeper, meaningful connections with our surroundings are crucial. Fifth principle: don't focus too much on the future. The fifth principle emphasizes the importance of appreciating the value of the present moment. While thinking about the future is crucial, enjoying the present and discovering the real beauty of life are critical elements. Focusing too much on the future may lead to neglecting the blessings of today. Appreciating the value of the moment increases inner peace and allows us to savor life. Sixth principle: don't be ungrateful. As the sixth principle, it teaches the rejection of ingratitude. Being grateful for the beauties life offers enhances inner peace and contributes to leading a more positive life. Gratitude is the key to appreciating the blessings life provides and discovering internal richness. Avoiding ingratitude helps us see the beauties of life more clearly and focus on them. This video aims to provide guidance on understanding and applying the golden principles of Stoic philosophy. Each principle forms a strong foundation for finding inner balance and guiding your journey of personal development. Remember that by embracing these principles, you have the potential to lead a more conscious, peaceful, and meaningful life. Finding inner balance is a process. The challenges you encounter in this process are learning opportunities that will make you stronger. Appreciating the value of each moment, being kind to yourself, adopting positive thinking, and living with gratitude are powerful tools to accompany you on this journey. Remember, every moment is a new beginning. It's an honor for me to accompany you on your journey of inner balance and personal development. I wish you more inner peace, wisdom, and a life filled with success. May your path be clear.